Students, this is Alisha, a mathematics teacher, and we are going to do the last part, that is the worksheet part of the chapter money. So let's do. Now this is the revision for all of you. We have already studied different topics in the chapter of money, and now we are going to revise all of this in our worksheet topic. Okay, so the first question is convert the following. So we have already understood how to convert the following, that is the rupees and the paise. So how to convert into rupees and how to convert into paise. So we are going to do the same thing here. So the first one is 3010 paise into rupees and paise. So here they have given us 3010 paise, which we have to convert into rupees and paise. So if you remember, whenever we are converting into rupees, we have to always put a point counting two numbers. So when we count two numbers for 3010, so the first number is going to be 0 and the next number is 1. So we put a point in between 0 and 1 here. So therefore it becomes rupees 30.10 paise. So this is how you convert rupees and paise into paise, just by counting two numbers from the right hand side and then putting a point in between. Second one, 480 paise into rupees and paise. So again here we have to convert rupees and paise into rupees and paise. So 480, when you count two numbers, it gives you 4.80. So it is rupees 4.80 paise. Next is rupees 250 into paise. So here we have to convert rupees, that is, into paise. So whenever we convert into paise, we have to multiply by 100. So when you multiply 250 by 100, you get 25,000 paise. And the next one is rupees 74 into paise. So whenever you want to convert into paise, you multiply by 100. So when you multiply 74 by 100, you get 7,400 paise. So always remember, while converting into rupees, you have to count two numbers and put a point. And while you're converting into paise, you have to always multiply by 100. The next one is add rupees 435.15 and add rupees 187.46. So we have to add these both numbers. So when you add these both numbers, you get is 5 plus 6 gives you 11. Carry 1, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6. Bring the point down as it is. 5 plus 7 gives you 12. So carry over 1 and write 2 in the answer. 3 plus 8 gives you 11 plus 1, 12. So carry over 1 and write 2 in the answer. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So the final answer, when you add these both amounts, gives you rupees 622.61 paise. Next question, subtract rupees 217.50 from rupees 328.75 paise. So let's subtract these two numbers. Always remember the bigger number on the top and the smaller number at the bottom. So let's subtract 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 5, 2. Bring the point down as it is. 8 minus 7, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. And 3 minus 2, 1. So the final answer is 111.25 paise. Fourth question is multiply rupees 55.80 by 9. So what we have to do is we have to multiply 55.80 by 9. So 9 zeros are 0. 9 8s are 72. So write 7 here, carry over and write 2 in the answer. 9 5s are 25 plus 7, 20. 9 5s are 45 plus 7, 52. So write 5 on the top and write 2 in the answer. 9 5s are 45 plus 5, 50. And bring the point down after counting two numbers. Here there are two numbers, so we count two numbers, 1 and 2. And bring the point here down. So the final answer is 502.20 paise. Next question. Put the correct symbol. So they have given us three symbols: greater than, smaller than, and equal to. So we have to check the correct symbol and put it in between. So they have given us two amounts: rupees 97.80 dash 9,780 paise. So now here you can see there are different methods of amount given here. One is into rupees and one is into paise. Okay. So whenever first while comparing these two numbers, always remember to bring both of them on the same path. That is, either convert this rupees into paise and then solve, or either convert this paise into rupees and then solve. So let's do the conversion. We will convert the rupees into paise. So when we are converting rupees 97.80 into paise, we will multiply it by 100. So 97.80 paise into 100 gives us 9780 paise. So here it will come 9780 paise. Now if you see, both of them are same. So therefore it is equal amount. Okay, as I said, always first bring both the amounts on the same path. So if you are converting paise into rupees, do one thing and bring everything into rupees. Otherwise, convert your rupees into paise and then solve it. Now next one is 8702 paise and rupees 86.20. So let's convert this 8702 paise into rupees. So while converting into rupees, we always count two numbers and put a point. So when we count two numbers, we get rupees 87.02. Now this 87.02 and here it is 86.20. So there is a difference. So the bigger number is 87.2 rupees, or you can also say 8702 paise is bigger than rupees 86.20. Alright, now the third one, rupees 4.22 dash 423 paise. So let's convert this 4.22 into paise. 4.22 rupees gives us 422 paise. So this is 422 paise and this is 423 paise. So which one is bigger? 423 paise. So we will put the smaller number sign. Next is 507 paise and 5.77 rupees. So again, let's convert 507 paise into rupees. I am keeping the right hand side as it is and converting what is there at the beginning. So while I am converting 507 paise, it will give me 5.07 rupees. So here this is actually 5.07 rupees. So when you see that, what is bigger? 5.77. So therefore we put a bigger number sign this side. This is how you always solve the sums and compare the sums first. First you always bring it on the same page, that is either do a paise or keep it rupees, and then solve and put the signs. So your homework sums are sum number 7, 8 and 9. Now the 7th sum. Salma bought a radio rupees 300.20, an electric press for 172.15 and a heater for rupees 90.60. How much money did she spend in all these items? Now they have given us how much money she has spent total. So that means here we have to do addition of these sums. So we have added sums here. Cost of the radio we have put here first 300.20. Cost of electric press rupees 172.15 and cost of heater rupees 90.60. When we add all these items, we get a total of 562.95 paise. So therefore, the total cost is rupees 562.95 paise that she has spent in all these items. So the total is rupees 562.95 paise. Now the 8th one. Raju had to pay rupees 650 as his school fees. He had only 435.50 with him. How much more money should he pay? So here they have given us that Raju had 650 rupees and he needed Raju had to pay 650 rupees in his school fee, but he had only 435.50 with him. So how much more amount did he need? So for that, what we will do is we will subtract. So while after subtracting his school fees from what money Raju had, 650 minus 435.50, what we get is what money is required more is 214.50 rupees. So therefore Raju should pay rupees 214.50 more. Next one. If a spacesuit costs rupees 130.40, how much will 6 spacesuits cost? So now here they have given us the spacesuit cost of 1. That is rupees 130.40. So we have to find out such cost of such 6 spacesuits. So let's do what we will do is we'll multiply. So cost of 1 spacesuit is 130.40. Cost of 6 spacesuit is 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24, 6 zeros are 0, 6 plus 2, 2, 6 threes are 18, 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. So total cost of 6 spacesuits is rupees 782.40. So this is the end of the chapter. Please remember you'll have to revise and keep practicing these sums that I have given. Solve the statement sums in your notebook of the worksheet, and we will continue with the next chapter in our next video. Thank you.